Monday, 5th of April 2021. Kind of a cloudy day, bit of a breeze. I find it very good to work with because I've been able to do some work today. I've planted my Swiss Chard rainbow mix today, so there are plants along on this bed. I've got bitter gourd, 2 rows of it, and then I'm planting Swiss Chard on this side of it. This would be the eastern side of the bed, in between the bitter gourds, but on the outside. I've got a few more plants left, which I'm gonna plant now, and that would be the end of this Swiss Chard plantation. So I did up to here. Probably not going to be able to cover the whole of the bed, but it's only up to here. This bitter gourd is one of the F1 variety, but I've got the bed, second bed here, which has got the native variety, the seeds that we've been saving ourselves. So I'm gonna carry on and save the seeds of native one and just consume the F1. Anyway, it's not a long process. I've not got a tripod, so just show quickly what it is. Dig a hole. Here's my plug. Just drop that in, firm it around, and it doesn't really need it, but I am watering it. So this is about it. This is Swiss Chard rainbow mix. I'll be saving its seeds. It'll be seeding next year, so throughout winter we'll harvest leaves, and then we'll save seeds once it gets to seeding. I'll carry on and finish. I think I've got 5-6 more plants and I'll finish that.